Alright guys, so this is the story. Car broke down. I was driving on the freeway and car just died. Nothing happens. I start emailing people, and the first person that I had in mind was Matt Robinson from GearHead Automotive. I emailed him, he replied right away. He gave me his phone number. He's like, call me. I think I know what it is. So I gave him a call, and within the minutes we did some troubleshooting, and he told me that's probably a rear fuel pump module that's known on these cars to go out. So I raced to the dealership. He got me a part number. I raced to the dealership and I got a pump. So I got a pump in my hand. The module is located right there, right behind that cushion thing. I replace the module and hopefully the car will start. If it starts, problem solved. I'll tell you a little more about it, so stick around, don't change the channel. We'll figure out what's going on. I need to get out safely. My wife is taking safety precautions. Cushion right here, and the pump module is right here. Just getting a new module out. This is the beast. I'll plug it in right here. Give you a better view here. This is it right there, and hopefully the car will start. There you go, it started. Yes. Also, I had a check engine codes when that happened. These are the codes that showed up on my scanner, my tuner device thing. I'll put some codes so you guys can see it later. So handy thing to have. So there you go. That's the story of Pete 717 getting stuck on the side of the freeway. Now my wife is following me just to make sure I get home safe. So what's inside is a couple capacitors, logic board, resistor, I believe, transistor, capacitor that I cut off, pins that you see sticking out through here. That's it. So this is what's inside of the beast. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you supporting my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next episode. Hopefully not as dramatic as this one, but